All right, guys, really cool basement for you. We have a billiards area, home theater, a lot more going, but we're gonna start over here. Love this light coming down. Really cool because we have a bar on this side with the matching stools to the half wall. This theater is obviously open, but definitely has that enclosed feel. Love the sconces. Awesome setup, got the platform seating. LEDs. And we have all the AV work behind here, as well as storage. Matching that side, you would never know. Really cozy vibe here. To complement this space, of course, we got the pool table. Little lounge area. Get to the bar in a second. Have a concession stand, which is fully stocked. And love this little lounge area. Of course, we have the linear fireplace. Bench seating. We got a hidden door to storage right here. And we love our hidden doors because we don't want doors all over the basement. So to conceal a lot of utilities, storage, that's our go-to. And check out this bar. Had some columns, just blended them in. Love the back bar. A lot of shelving, wine storage, you name it. Got the microwave, mini fridge, wine cooler, even did a sink. Very open basement. Of course, we open up these stairs as well. To the accent wall, perfect for the little foyer area. Beautiful bathroom. Steam shower. And last but not least, we do a little gym that also duos as a kids area. A little 2-in-1 action. Got some built-ins here. Gaming, got a nice sectional. And still enough room to work out. Of course, we have barn door there, that's the electrical. So yeah, really cool basement, guys. Thanks for taking the tour. And we'll see you on the next one.